Welcome guys. In this tutorial I would like to show how can we make use of Tensorflow for poets present on the GitHub to classify our own images. So let's get started. To do this, initially we need to log into this site where it's clearly explained what's this all about, and we need to have an Ubuntu terminal where we are going to run some of these commands. So to start with, you need to log into the GitHub, the Git clone. All you need to do is you just need to copy this and paste it in your terminal under some directory where you are going to work, and you get this bundle called as Tensorflow Poets. And then after download, you need to cd to that. Means you will be going inside the Tensorflow Poets 2 directory. If you go inside the directory, you can find these subfolders like Android, scripts, TF files, sample screenshot, and a README license, and label _image.py was present in scripts, but I had to take it into the home directory here in Tensorflow for Poets 2 home directory. Train.sh is my own script. You can ignore that. And once you download, what do we do next? Go to the third step. You need to capture some of the training images. For example, in this site, some of the sample flower photos have been given, but I am using my own images of fruits, of some god, various other things, just to just check whether it really works apart from what Google has provided here. Okay, then I'm not doing this step. You may choose to do it if you are doing the first step. Then you have to retrain the network. In order to retraining the network, what you need to do is you can go through this. You need to set an environment of image size 2 to 4. And you need to set the architecture Python, architecture environmental variable as image size. So what this means is MobileNet 05 is an Inception model by Google. MobileNet has been already trained by a high-end NVIDIA graphics card by Google for 22 days, and that is 22 layered trained deep neural network. Okay, as you can see, go through this site, he is explaining what is that really about, and so it's a around 22 or 48 layer trained network. And what we are doing here is we will take the outer layer of the neural network and then train our own image, in our case, for example, flower or any other image. But the inner layers will be left still untouched, and we make use of this to train our own images. Right, and let's go to the next step. Once we have these files, we need to just walk you through the TF files, where I have following folders. Bottleneck, I'll explain what is that. I got fruit photos, like flower photos in this site, god photos, and it generates something called model. I'll tell you what is that. And training summaries, and there was a water can lying, so I thought I'll work with that, and I have it here. Okay, so what is bottleneck? Bottleneck is the outermost layer in the fourth step, what we saw, because we need that in order to train the classifier. So bottleneck is basically an array of there are various labels. For example, a fruit called apple as following bottleneck images, and if you want to open just typical text file, bottleneck, this is how it looks. Okay, once you open that, it is just a matrix of various values. These values are weights of the pixel images what we have for the JPEG photos. So for each and every photo, training image photo present, there will be a bottleneck matrix created. And this bottleneck matrix is what going into the trained Inception model, and will be trained, and we get the final model that can be used for any other predictions. Okay, let's get out of this folder, and now we need to we'll go into the scripts directory. So scripts directory already has some sample Python images. Label underscore image.py is for us, so we just need to take it into our previous directory. So I do that. So what label underscore image will do is help us in identifying new image, test image what we give. Okay, and after this, let's see whether we are able to run the Python label image, and let's go to the help of that and see our environment is set or not. Yeah, it's set, so we're getting various options. And now what we do is we have to train the model, or we need to retrain the model. In fact, because already it has been trained by Google, we just need to train the outermost layer. How do we do that? We'll copy this and run as Tensor board. This is a backend process. It is essential for running. And then let's see the help for output is coming once the backend process is running. It is there, then we are there. Yeah, I think it works. Yeah, cool. Works. And then we need to run the training. So in this case, this is the command. You just need to do copy paste of this, and instead of flower photos, I'm going to give you fruit photos from the directory, and hit enter. Training starts now. The bottleneck has been created. Here we have three variables while training. One is the training accuracy, cross entropy, and validation accuracy. What does that mean is training accuracy will be very low in initial. Training accuracy straight away means how good the teacher is. Initially it will be very low. Going forward, the network gets trained, and it increases the percentage. Now you can see it is 100%. Cross entropy is something like how much it should be low going further, more and more we train. Validation accuracy will pick any random image from the given set of image and test with the previous image. So that will give the score. And finally we got this score. I think now we have our image trained to identify the fruit. Okay, here in this case in desktop I have various fruits images. And just go to desktop, see, you can see various images of apple, act, or whatever. Okay, and let's see whether label image.py is able to identify that. Should be able to. Let's see that. Okay, and another thing is, if you are not in a hurry, you can change the training steps to 4000, which is maximum. In my case 500 was sufficient. So in order to test your own image whether it is able to detect, you need to copy this command to your shell from your Tensorflow for poets directory and point it to your own images where you need to classify. So I'm going to desktop in my case, and I'm going to provide him an test apple image. Let's see. Oh yeah, we had 3 types of fruits: apple, mosambi, and orange, and I just provided him an apple image. It's getting a higher score of 0.7. Its score is on a scale of 0 to 1, so it's more likely an apple photo. And let's give another apple photo. Let's see. Yeah, 64% it's an apple. Yeah. So that's all for this video, and this is how we can easily create any of the image classifiers using Inception model using Tensorflow. Thanks for watching this video. Any comments or questions, please feel free to drop it in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.